This is Whirlpool clutch. You know, this has the inner shaft, this one, and the outer shaft. Both the shafts are rotating. Before fixing to the drum, it has this bearing. Sometimes the washing machine appears the grumble noise that causes for this bearing. This is the failure. Okay, and once there has the other side, there has another bearing. To fix, there has a flange to mount the clutch to the beam to here, and you insert shaft like this. Okay, okay, this here, and also the drum mount on this surface. There has the holes to bolt. Okay. You can appear there's another hole. It goes through this way, and it has small peg like this one. Okay, you fix it like this and insert like this. Most of videos and persons say the clutch, this is the clutch, you want to remove from here. Okay, pull up by using puller. So the reason is, this is the first one, the second one, and both between this one, the basin fixed. You want to, they said you want to pull from here, pull from here, press from here, press from here. You see what happens if you pulling from here. This is the same type of clutch, that's also 13 kg Whirlpool clutch. If you press from here, see what happens. Okay. The whole unit, see, whole unit can break now like this one. Therefore, prevent from this one. Don't press anything from here. This is more sensible part, but you can do thing is, this is fixed like this, the pin. Okay, like this, like this. You think this is inside from here, then you can punch like this. You can see here, and inside this area you can see the plant here. Okay, yes, it's going very easy. Don't do anything from here, it's more sensible. If you press here, the whole unit can break like this one, like this one. See, like this one. Thank you. I am from Sri Lanka. I am Krishantana Ratna.